Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making peri shrimp and today I'm using the ingredients that I got from my Carib Shopper box. You guys know I've been saying that Carib Shopper is like the Amazon for all of your authentic made Caribbean items. So for this, let me show you the ingredients and you can order this online and have it delivered to the comfort of your home anywhere here in the USA. So I have the Trini sriracha sauce, the peri oil, which is a scorpion pepper oil, and the peri spice mix. To my shrimp, I'm going to season lightly with salt because the spice mix does contain salt. So we'll add in the spice mix next. And then I'll go in with this peri scorpion pepper oil. There's roasted garlic, roasted peppers. It's really delicious. It's very spicy, so it depends on your heat level that you can manage. I would say add that amount. So I went in for like about 2 tablespoons. You can add less. Now here is the Trini sriracha sauce, which is a combination of pimento peppers and habanero scotch bonnet peppers from Trinidad. And it's a really great seasoning pepper and a condiment. In goes tomatoes and chopped sweet peppers along with some onions, and then you're going to toss to combine. Now you can add some scallions or some siphon here if you wanted to, totally optional. Feel free, play around with the recipe. Now this goes into a baking dish and I'm going to cover and allow it to marinate overnight, and after it's finished marinating, I'll go ahead and the next day we're going to bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. These bake pretty quickly. They're really huge shrimp. If you're using smaller shrimp, it would take like around 8 to 10 minutes. So just be aware of that because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. You're going to get a really delicious sauce, so you can serve this with some mashed potatoes or even with some jasmine rice. So guys, order your Carib Shopper box today. You can pick and choose what you want. Just go to their website. It's really user friendly. The ingredients or whatever it is you order gets here so quickly. So you have enough time that you can order now and still receive your items for the holidays. So thank you all so much. Comment down below, let us know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.